We got some heads to smash.
We ain't gotta worry about it. I'm on your side.
Hey, Cleon, you should have seen this kid. He's got some skills, man.
Good, because I want him out piecing, building our rep.
No problem, Warlord. I'll take the Warriors all city. There won't be anybody in New York who doesn't know this gang.
Don't get ahead of yourself, young blood. First, we gotta take Coney, and then we need soldiers for what we gotta
Oh, Jesus!
What you gonna do about it, huh?
destroy it.
They're coming at us again.
You guys get these fires under control and meet me outside. We gotta round up the warriors. Come on, let's go find the rest of the warriors.
Let's move it.
Okay, man, we're on the move.
Come on, baby, what's it gonna hurt? You know you want it.
Ajax, not now. Come on, you're being rough.
Oh, I'll show you rough, baby. You ain't seen nothing yet.
Ajax, ditch the chick, we need your muscle. The destroyers are hitting us again.
All right, Warlord. Maybe now I'll see some real action.
You seen anybody else?
Fox and them were trying to score some blades. They should be around.
Let's go get them! Damn it, cops!
Hey, don't move! You resisted. Freeze! You got nowhere to run.
Ready, cowboy.
Yeah. Now! Stay down!
On a possible 1034, over.
Hold up a sec, fellas. Roger that, dispatch. We're on it. All right, boys. We got some more punks to take care of. Leave this trash here. It ain't going nowhere.
Come on, man!
Let's cut around this building. We're gonna have to save their ass.
Yo, get me out of here! Come on, unlock me! Hey, can someone get me out of here?
Thanks, man. I fucking hate them.
We got fucking cops and destroyers all over the place. We gotta find Fox.
Shit! The pig's got Fox pinned down.
Any sign of him?
Nothing yet. He's around, though. You keep looking. But be careful. He's got a knife.
We gotta get in there.
Cool it. You guys wait here. I'll go distract those pigs.
Come on!
Yo,
out.
hold up.
I swear I'll go easy on you.
Gotta distract those cops.
I'm gonna teach you a lesson, kid. Show yourself.
10-4, back up dispatch.
You wanna play hide and seek, huh? Damn, he must have got behind us. Come on!
Thanks, Warlord. What the hell's going on?
Destroyers are raiding us, and they stirring up the fuzz. You seen Swan?
He's with Cochise. This way.
Let's teach those cops a lesson about messing with the warriors. Clean this shithole out. Oh yeah! Let me go, motherfucker! Let's bop this destroyer trash off our turf. There they are! That's what's going on. Yeah, come and fight! Know you like this, punk!
Don't let me slow you down, cuz. Let's see you move.
Oh, you little fuck!
I'm gonna take you out, toy! You ready? Fuck off, man! You gotta know how heavy you set it!
Everybody okay?
I think so.
What the fuck were the destroyers doing here? Popping in from East Coney again.
And getting their heads split. Hey, maybe we better check out our hangout.
Let's roll.
You see this, War Chief?
What the fuck? These dicks think they can get away with this shit?
Those lame-ass toys.
We're gonna get him back, right, Cleon?
Relax. What do you want to do, War Chief?
Right now, Virgil is celebrating what he thinks was a victory. He won't expect us to hit him back on the same night, but that's exactly what we're going to do. Rembrandt, I hope you're ready for the real deal, because I want East Coney dripping red by morning. No one fucks with the Warriors home.
Yo, Virgil, we did it. Warriors' house got bombed.
That's good. So everyone's back.
Some of our soldiers got jacked. They put up a good fight, though. Those warriors are getting pretty heavy, Virgil.
They ain't shit. I know these fucks. I know the Warriors. They couldn't cut it with us, so now they're going to try and take over. Well, I say let them try. The destroyers made Coney Island, and that's all we gotta worry about. Now go get up some fucking beers and some broads up in here. It's time we had ourselves a little party.